Hello students, welcome to our geography class. From last video we starting the lesson number 10 urbanization. In that videos we completed some points, that is dialogue between a farmer name is Tatya in a village and his son Suresh. Then we completed geographical explanation. Now let us start. Urbanization occurs because of many reasons. Urbanization occurs because of many reasons. We will study some of main reasons. That is industrialization, trade, mechanism and technology, transport and communication, migration. These are the causes of urbanization. We will study some of main reasons. Now let us start. Our first reason is industrialization. What is meant by industrialization? The development and concentration of industries in a region is a factor contributing towards urbanization. Increase in industries leads to increase in the hopes of people who are attracted towards these industries from surrounding areas. This increases the speed of urbanization. In 19th century, Mumbai grew rapidly because textile mills. In 19th century, why Mumbai grew rapidly? Because of the textile mills started on the large scale in Mumbai. Many villages which are originally fishing village, that is Koliwadas, become part of Mumbai metropolitan areas because of industrialization and urbanization. Why is it become part of Mumbai metropolitan areas? Because of the industrialization and urbanization. Here figure 10.1 we see the industrialization in Mumbai. How was type of industrialization in Mumbai? We see in this figure 10.1. Next point is trade. What is meant by trade? A place in a region is sometimes favorable in terms of transport, loading, unloading and storage of goods. This leads to develop of trade and related services like business complexes, banks, credits, societies, godowns, cold storage, houses, etc. start growing. For example, Nagpur in India is centrally located in India. Urbanization started increasing here because this location facilitated trade. Next point is mechanization and technology. We can see lots of advantage of mechanization and technology in various fields. You see student, in various fields lots of advantages of mechanisms and technology also. In this way both are helpful to urbanization too. In the recent decades the use of technology has increased in agriculture. You see in farm varieties of technology we use in the field. Mechanism has also increased. In rural areas agriculture is done with the help of machines in a large scale these days. The manpower employed in agriculture became devoid of agriculture work. This working class came to cities to look for work. As a result, urban population started increasing.